Hi, ඉතින් තවත් අලුත් එපිසෝඩ් එකක් එක්ක තමයි අද ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ මේ Noise TV Mix Bag program එක. ඉතින් ආටිස්ට්ලාගේ gossips, ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ hobbies, information, ඕගොල්ලෝ කැමති ඕනම දෙයක් අපි ඕගලන්ට අරන් එනවා. ඉතින් අද ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ sister duo එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ ගිනියම් රෑ කිව්වොත් ඕගොල්ලෝ ඉක්මනට ඔලුවට එනවා කවුද මේ දෙන්න කියලා. හරි? ඉතින් ගොඩාක් ලස්සන voices තියෙනවා. ඉතින් ඕගොල්ලන්ට ඇහෙනවා දැන් background එකේ මෙතන hina වෙනවා. ඉතින් Romain Willis, Shermaine Willis. Okay, we're ready to go. So tell me, how did you all come into this field? Who found out who has a better talent or who found out I can sing? Okay.
So since we were kids, we were obviously singing all the time.
Okay.
Tati only noticed, Dada only noticed that we were talented, and then he forced us to sing all the time.
Yeah.
It came to a point, we were like, no, we don't want to sing anymore.
Yeah.
All that stuff.
හැමදාම Saturday Sunday karaoke series තියනවා 10ක් 20ක් විතර අපි කියන් තියෙන එකම songs ටිකම weekend එකේ. So we were like, nah, can't do this, pass. But
So
then that's how it started.
After that, Iskole, we were in the choir. We were singing a lot. So after we left school, Shah actually completely kind of changed her career and went into what were you doing?
Travel and tourism.
Oh, tourism scene. Yeah, and I was training with the choir for a while. And then I went to hotel industry and she went into music. And then I was sitting in my hotel, my office, and I was like,
Okay.
I don't want to do this anymore. I want to be out there singing on a stage because I was watching her,
Yeah.
And then we ended up here. Yeah.
So where did you all study? Schooling at?
So we went to Holy Cross College, Kampala.
Okay. Alright, so
Even
that's
though
why
people
business
think we
was-
schooled in Colombo.
No, there's no difference, I think. Doesn't matter what the school is, yeah, it's a person with a personality.
Oh, yes,
And it's
absolutely.
Like, හරි, ඊළඟ මම දැනගන්න කැමතියි. මේ music background එක gathering යන්නේ කියන්නේ කවුරුරි family එකේ are they into music?
Everyone's heavily influenced. So it's
Alright.
like my
They're not
mom's side,
musicians,
they're
Alright.
influenced.
but they love music.
love
Like
music,
there's
okay.
always music playing inside the house, and if there's a party, there's always loud music. My dad really loves planning events and putting parties together and getting food
he's
organized.
an amazing host.
He loves entertaining people, so I think that's we're like kind of like the life of the party. Whenever we are somewhere, like, okay, food's there, that's there, everyone's happy, okay, cool, we're happy.
Yeah.
So we have that kind of personalities, and I think it kind of comes from my dad and my mom also.
But the answer to your question is because from my dad's side, they're like heavily influenced. So they listen to country music and lots of white boy rock songs like
Okay.
AC/DC and Pearl Jam and Scorpion and all that stuff. Then my dad's side, it's a different scenario. My mom's side, but we pretty much grew up to that. So we heard all the genres of music when we were since we were kids. So we were pretty much exposed to all these things. So that's how we were like pretty much influenced, and that's how they contributed to whatever we have.
Okay, that's nice. So who got into the music industry first? Was it you or was it your sister?
I think I did with the choir and very like minor
the
things.
industry, the
But I
professionally,
think-
I think it was me.
It was a professional choir, so I would say me, but it wasn't on her level. So as she entered the industry, it was like with a bang. She was doing all these big concerts, big events.
Okay.
So I feel like she hit the industry with a bang and started everything like at that level.
Okay.
So for me, it was more like choir. I sang at the church. I sang at hotel lobbies, blah blah, restaurants, and slowly to where we are now.
Alright, okay. So what are your future plans
Wow.
when it comes to the music industry?
Exactly, that's a good question. But to be honest, we both launched our duo brand because
Okay.
she was performing solo and I was doing pretty much my own thing.
Okay.
But then everybody kept saying that you two should do things together because I mean it's rap. And since we both had different styles, we thought the combination of that would be something new and fresh for the market. So we wanted to do Sinhala music and also English at the same time because we pretty much grew up to English, even though we are going heavily on Sinhala. So now we want to pretty much tap into the mass market. So, but in our own authentic way, with our own vibe and the essence to it. So we launched our new brand together. It's called Miss Willis.
Yeah.
So we have two amazing Sinhala songs to be released. So due to COVID, things got delayed.
Yeah,
so
for
we are using
everyone.
exactly,
Everyone,
and it's not the right time to put anything out either. So we are taking that time to do our back-end work and the planning and the production and marketing and the whole works. So we are pretty much focusing on that. But we are also planning to put some English stuff, and in fact, Romin is also working on a couple of tracks with Iraj for the English album. All these things are actually happening, so everything's cooking in the studio. Nothing's
Yeah,
up.
it's a lot of back-end work.
Yeah.
So hopefully next year will be the year,
Yeah.
and we'll have like a normal year, you know, because the last 2 years, I mean, we're still in 2020, but it doesn't count.
Okay.
But like, you know, next year hopefully everything will go smoothly, and all this
Hopefully.
new stuff will be out.
Yeah, okay. We're wishing you all the very best.
Thank
with
you
all the
so
best
much.
plans. And how did you join Iraj? And tell me more about that journey.
Through Shah only. So I think I think he found out about her because obviously she was performing in amazing like platforms and stages, and they started working together. And in the meantime, I was always around her, you know, like whenever she was in the studio, I was
Yeah.
around, and Niraj was like, "Ah, Sindhu can plan,
What was that track?
Manamali, and then came to Cleopatra, and we're working on some other stuff also.
Oh.
That's a surprise.
So that's about it. And okay, speaking of performing on big stages,
Yeah.
okay, what was like? I think you follow a particular fashion sense. I think stage එකේ ගොඩක් short dresses අඳිනවා.
Oh.
ඉතින් මෙහෙම short dresses අඳලා perform කරද්දී මොන වගේ experiences තියෙන්නේ? Have you had stage falls and
Thank God.
No, ne?
Yeah, but nip slips නම් දෙපාරක් වෙලා තියෙනවා. But ඉතින් මොනා කරන්නද ඒ වෙනවනේ. I mean, you have to expect that. But I think ඒ කියන්නේ even දැන් stage එකේ shorts ඒ stockings ඉතින් ඒවත් මොනවාදනේ මේ pageant එකේ මිනිස්සු bikini සඳහන් මේ යනවා ramp එකේ. So it's nothing.
it's nothing, yeah?
And all of a sudden, because when you're like outside on the road walking with a short, it's okay. But when you're on stage with a short, that's a problem. I mean, come on, guys. We need to grow up. We need to change the whole system here.
Yeah.
So I can say at that age also, I had that confidence, and I was like, okay, I'm bold enough to like do this and like get people, like show people this and make normalize this. Like
Yeah.
you know, it's just so.
No one was doing it like when she started it, so I
Yeah.
always looked up
only
to her
when
and thought,
Natasha was like wearing like that. Only
Okay.
that's the only person I saw. But we felt this strong desire that these things should be normalized.
Yeah,
like you
definitely.
know, and there's nothing wrong with it.
yeah, I mean there were so many instances where people would come and say, "ඔයාට මේ popular වෙන්න ඕන නම් ඔයා දිගට අඳින්න ඕනේ, කොණ්ඩේ කළු කරන්න ඕනේ." And we were like, "Huh?"
Hey, ලංකාව නිසාද? Is that
Oh,
why you
so we
did
were thinking like,
Oh,
I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be me. If I want to color my hair pink or neon or like you know glow in the dark, I will do that because I'm just I'm expressing myself, you know, in a creative way. And art should be that. Art should allow people to just freely express. If they want to wear a bikini and perform, they should be able to. It's always in the eye of the people that's watching. If you have a if you have a corrupt mind, even a little kid looks you know,
I know.
sexual to you when
they're
to an
asking for it, yeah.
exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's always in the eye of the what's
It's how
the name?
it's how they take it. It's their mindset and
Yeah.
their beliefs and their whole thing.
So in this world, I
හරි
think
රාජිකනාගේ කියන දූපත් මානසිකත්වයක ඉන්න මිනිස්සු.
අම්මට
I learned that word.
Quoting Iraj
But,
also,
yeah.
right inside
So,
his channel. Okay.
so we are going to be some pioneers and millennials to change that.
hopefully yes.
Hopefully.
Awesome, I guess you guys are already
And even
getting
encourage
there.
other people to like not make sure
And yeah,
that
to be
it's
themselves,
normal to
man.
be
Like so many
yourself.
girls are afraid to like, should I wear this? Should I not? Will they think that? I'm like, girls, stop thinking. Just do. Just be you. You know. So I think it's a good example in a way to let people and young people just express themselves freely.
Yeah.
Alright, I did not plan to ask you guys this question, but
Ambo.
No, but I'd be like,
now that we are talking about this fashion sense and මිනිසුන්ගේ mindset එක හිතන විදිහයි මොනවද දූපත් මානසිකත්වය.
හරි.
දේවල් ගැන කියන නිසා එක sentence එකකින් like give an advice to everyone who have like for girls who are afraid to come out, like for girls who are like afraid to be themselves. Just give us like
ඒක
one
මාර්ම
sentence to
sentence.
inspire
එක
them.
sentence එකක්
Sentence
කියනවා
එකක්.
අපිට.
You're saying
පොතක්
all.
ලියන්න පුළුවන් මේක ගැන. මොහොම sentence එකක්
වෙන
කියන්න.
වෙනම හරි, oh you guys get
Yeah.
together and tell me one thing.
නේද එකම සීන් එක නේ අපිට අද එච්ච එකම තමයි කියන්න වෙන්නේ.
Just I don't know if it's one sentence. I'll
No,
try.
it's fine, just go ahead.
Just be physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, just be free. Just that should be your goal in your life, to be free. Like it's not money that you should chase. it's the freedom to make the choices that you want to make without thinking, ayyo, araya make kya, saldi ne araka naha. Without doing that, to be able to freely live life. If you want to go go to the jungle and live alone, then you should be able to do that. Yanne epa me dawasa pura. Awwa වැඩි.
Restrictions එක COVID යන මම.
I have seen it තියෙනවා. ගෝමානේ අපි පොඩ්ඩක් ඒකත්. So anyway, that's the advice. Live freely.
Alright, that's nice. Okay.
Walk in.
මට
You also have something extra?
නෑ ඒකම තමයි ඉතින් කියන්න තියෙන්නේ.
Now I have a couple of questions. හරිද? දෙන්න වෙනම answer කරන්න පුළුවන් එකට answer කරන්න පුළුවන් whatever you guys want to do. හරිද? Color of your toothbrush. Quickly.
තැඹිලි.
Blue.
Okay, Tambili and blue. Okay. What a combo. Anyway. Meme of the year.
Meme.
Quickly.
Meme of the year?
Meme of the
Really?
year. Come on. A dance. What is it?
The wap thing. The
No. This is very
That's what I
famous
mean.
during quarantine. Tell me quickly.
අයියෝ අර TikTok බලන්නේ මම.
TikTok.
You don't need TikTok for this. Like, it's so famous.
2020 is cancelled.
No.
මීම අර ඔලිම්පික් එකේ dance එකක් නේ මොකක්ද dance එක මේ?
ඔය අපිට hint එකක් දෙන්න ඕනේ.
Coffin dance. Yeah, that's the song.
දන්නේ නැහැ.
Astronomia.
මම හිතුවේ මේක.
Not that.
ඒක අපේ scene එක.
ඒක අපේ.
ඒ අපේ bike.
Alright, that's fine. Most useless talent you have. Quickly.
අයියෝ මට ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා.
Okay. Cooking.
ඒ useless නෑ.
අවශ්‍ය දෙන්න අනවශ්‍ය දෙයක් නේ මං කියනවා.
Okay. That's the one. Okay, that's a talent. Okay, you.
නිදා ගන්න පුළුවන් කියන්නේ සතියක් එක දිගට නිදා ගන්න පුළුවන් මට. I can.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's පොඩ්ඩක් useless, extreme.
Alright. Favorite lingerie brand.
අපි ලාන්ච්ට අඳින්නේ නැහැ නේද?
Brand එකක් නෑ හිතලා අල්ලලා ගියොත් අපි ඒක ගන්න.
Comfy නම්
We are
material.
not like, most people think we are like into brands and things.
Oh,
Like, honestly, no man, like if it's cheap, we buy it. If it's like 20,000-40,000, we are like, honestly, there's no point in wearing
Polyester
it
නෙමෙයි
3 or 4
cotton.
times. ඒ මවුලනේ lace ඒ හැම එකම තියෙනවා. Cotton ඉතින්
Victoria's Secret
launch
එක
එකෙන් දෙන්නේ for a purpose.
Oh.
So comfort comes last.
Comes last.
I mean, right.
I did not see that coming.
But සාමාන්‍යයෙන් brands වලට අපි එහෙම ලොකු attachment එකක් නෑ unless it's a phone, unless it's perfume, අනික ඒවා නම් own brands අඳිනවනේ.
Yeah,
දැන්
it's
Jimmy
no-
Choo ඇඳගෙන කවුද දන්නේ
shoes,
Jimmy Choo කියලා?
something.
ඒක බාටයෙන් ගත්ත heel එකක් වෙනස් වෙනවා. Jimmy Choo වෙනස් වෙනවා. heel එක විතරයිනේ පේන්නේ එළියේ. ගලවා දිනනවා label එක නේ.
ඒකත් නෝ.
Okay.
Okay, moving on.
Okay, I have a tongue twister for you.
Okay.
Okay. You have to say this same sentence 3 times. Okay.
Yan baba.
A cheap shop sold sheep chops.
A cheap shop sold sheep chops. A cheap shop sold sheep chops. A cheap shop sold sheep chops.
Very good. Next you.
මම ඒකම කියන්නද?
1, 2, 3.
Ah, wait, repeat that line again.
A cheap shop sold sheep
යාර බෑ.
chops.
දැම්ම කියනවා. කනවා.
Cheap shop, sheep shop, shop.
She didn't even try because she knows she's bad at it. Yeah, but
So you know
That's
what
not
she's
my
good at, what's
scene.
bad.
definitely not that. It's
That's
well.
not my scene.
Okay. Who's like the Chandi one out of you two?
I think both are different.
Okay.
Both are different.
We have Chandi sides.
I'm a little bit assertive. She's also assertive, but we both take our chances, but different tastes. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙයා
more
barbecue
complicated.
sauce නම් මම sriracha.
Okay.
No, but we are very similar.
But very different.
But
very
when
different.
she's angry, I calm down. When I'm angry, she calms down.
Okay.
අර එහෙම පොඩි balance එකක් තියෙනවා because we live together. And at first it was
Only
chaos.
difference මෙයාගේ ලෝකේ වෙලාවක් නැහැ.
Uh-huh.
The clock doesn't exist.
Ah, really?
ඒ කියන්නේ ආට හරි අමාරුයි වගකීමක් දෙන්න because ඒක ඉෂ්ට වෙයි කියලා මට high blood pressure.
Never shows up on time.
එයාගෝ wedding එකේ මට කිසිවක් කරන්න දෙන්නේ නැහැ. නිකන් ඉන්න විතර
මගේ
තියෙන්නේ.
ඉස්සර boyfriend කෙනෙක් කිව්වා අම්බෝ මේ wedding plan කරද්දී ඔයාගේ නංගිට නම් දෙන්න එපා වගකීම් මේ please ඒ කිව්වා.
ඒක මුන්නේ
ඒක ඇත්ත ඒක
reason
මට
එක.
විතර නෙවෙයි හැමෝටම තේරෙනවා ඒක ගේ වටේ ඉන්නකොට. මගේ නම් full monk scene එකක් තියෙන්නේ.
Anyway, sorry. Oh my
Okay.
god. Could it be that we like?
We went so far. Anyways.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Oh no.
Okay. Relationship status.
Single, very single.
Single AF.
AF.
AF?
F.
F's good eye. Good eye.
I'm
Oh my
pretty
god,
sure
that sounded wrong.
මම නෑ මම dating නෑ.
Yeah, dating now.
Happy
F.
Oh, මම single.
Okay, so are you guys in that mindset where I want to be an old cat lady? එහෙම දින්නේ
No, no, you cat
හරි
I
හරි
want
හම්බෙනකම් no point කියලා හිතනවා.
Okay.
Like nowadays relationships, it's very difficult because as you meet people, they're very fake.
Okay.
Like they're like, I like this brand and I drive this car, Ghana. And I'm like, dude, I don't give a shit about your car or what you drive. I care about what's in there, you know. So it's really difficult to get to what the heart holds.
Okay.
You have to get through all these barriers and ඊට පස්සේ ගියාන් පස්සේ මිනිහාවත් පාලා ඔක්කොම පාලා. So එහෙම scene එකකින් අපි.
But මට අනිවාර්යෙන් boys තුනක් ඕනේ. මම science
ළමයි
ළමයි.
oh my god, her partner. අයියෝ.
මේ boys තුනක් ඕනේ.
Okay.
මම දන්නා විද්‍යාවන ඒක කරන්න විදියකුත් තියෙනවා. boys තුනක් ඕන. Yeah.
yeah.
ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් ඔබ
conceive වෙන්න ඕන.
දැන් now the people who are watching ඒගොල්ලෝ හිතන්නේ කොහොමද මේ
දැනට missing the man out of the equation, everything else
නෑ
can fall
නෑ
into place.
ගොන් වේවා කියන්නේ බා කරුණා කරලා
කොහොමද 3 boys ලා
නෑ so there's
කියලා මෙයාට
there are you know boys hari girls කියන preferences so now there are certain foods you need to eat
පොඩි diets තියෙන diet plans
තියෙනවා positions times dates තියෙනවා එහෙම කරාම හරි කැමති එක්කන එළියට
අයියෝ රොමේ
too much of information. Anyways,
oh god, that's
now you guys have been in relationships, right? Obviously. Okay. What's the worst relationship you've been? I don't want to know who that is, but just tell me a bit like why you hate it so much.
actually the worst relationship was with my unevolved version with myself.
Sha wow good answer
Wow. Very smart.
you are savior
You tell me now.
I tell you, I've never had like really bad boyfriends. Like all my exes have been good. I don't think I was perfect also.
Okay.
So I can't really point the finger and say they were horrible. I've had bad dates, really bad dates. So obviously it didn't lead to a relationship. But exes not really. But what she said, I think even still,
Alright. Okay.
the relationship with myself is a bit like.
The unevolved version. I love
Hari
it
hari.
so much. I know. That's
Next
a different
question.
story. Next question.
Okay. I think this is like the most smartest sister duo. It's very hard to get these, you know, wild things out.
ඔයා gossip කියනවා අපි දැන් නිකන් guard එක දැම්ම දෙන්නේ කොච්චර ඉල්ලුවක් කියලා.
It's so hard, and I'm not gonna give up also.
Oh, nice. Now it's
Very ready, very ready.
Okay, so clubbing.
Ah.
Okay. Why do people see this as a bad thing?
අයියෝ හරි ගොංගනේ.
මෙහෙමයි හරිද? The way I see it, දැන් සමහර අය ඉන්නවා every Wednesday වෙනකන් Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday යන්න. That's a different, I think it's more of an addiction and you are trying to use that as a distraction, right? But then there are people who also live a balanced life and they also have enough money to spend on a typical Friday night, go meet with friends, have a drink and da-da-da. That's fine too. So I think in life, everything in moderation, including moderation, is fine. And plus, if someone else is having a good time, I mean, nothing's wrong with it. It's just that if someone's going a little overboard, okay, if it's a family or a friend or a cousin or a relative, someone's like partying from morning to night every single
Then
day, now
it's
that's a
raises a
problem
concern, yeah.
because it's coming from, I don't know, maybe a place of lack or maybe some sort of, you know, void or whatever distraction. But if you are living a well-balanced life where you're working hard and you're also spending enough time with your family and also you're using time to socialize because that's nothing's wrong with it. Now the problem is people don't have social intelligence. People don't know how to have a conversation with people.
Yeah.
So by doing that also you actually learn a few, you know, one
Yeah,
one
you
or
go
two
out,
things.
you make new friends, you meet new people from different backgrounds.
Yeah.
So I think it's good. Socializing is really good.
Yeah.
As long as you have balance in your life.
Exactly.
You know, you do your job, you spend time with your family,
Exactly.
you take care of yourself, and you have a little bit of fun. What's the
Yeah.
harm in that?
Exactly.
Okay. So yeah, shall we wrap up with
Yeah.
the song?
Oh. Yes.
නින්ද නොයන හැන්දෑවේ සොඳුරුයිද මොනතරම් දුක නැතුවමත් නොවෙයි ඔබ යන්න යනවනම් සිප ගන්නට පමණක් නම් ඔය තෙතොල්ලං කරේ විඳ ගන්නට මම එන්නම් එන නිවාඩුවට එනකල් දැස් වසා කඳුළු සලා දැස් වලින් සිනාසිලා කළා
සුසුම් වලින්
සුසුම් වලින්
කතා කළා
කතා කළා
ඔබ යනවා
ඔබ යනවා
සුවඳ තියා
So beautiful.
Thank you.
Alright, ඉතින් ගොඩක් ඉන්ට්‍රස්ටිං ප්‍රෝග්‍රෑම් එකක් ඉවර කරා. ඉතින් අපි ඉස්සරහටත් එනවා මේ වගේ ගොඩාක් ආටිස්ලා, එතකොට සෙලිබ්‍රිටිස්, මොඩල්ස්, ඒ අයගේ ඉන්ෆර්මේෂන්, ගොසිප් ඒ ඔක්කොමත් අරගෙන ඉතින් subscribe කරන්න Noise TV එකට. This is Mixed Bag program. Share your likes, your comments, and tell us how you like this program, tell us how you hate this program, and ඔයගොල්ලෝ කැමති කවර ආටිස්ට් කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා නම් ඉතින් අපිට දන්නවනේ අපි ඒක නා ඊළඟ programs වල join කරගන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙමින් ඉන්නවා. See you and thank you so much you two for coming today.
Thank you for having us.
Bye.